Feeling stuck in life is pretty much okay and realistic. It can happen to almost everyone, especially it is something that we identify as the midlife crisis. Often we come across certain stages in life where we feel there's no way out. We are back against our wall, even though we might have had done or thought all good things in life thus far. We might be even someone who has done a lot of good karma, someone who's religious, someone who has done a lot of charity work to others, but often we might have come across a circumstance where we are totally stuck in life and we literally don't want to live beyond this point. Now, one of the reasons why such things are pretty hard to come out of is how we approach those situations mentally. Now, irrespective of what we have done, life works as such that we get what we attract. Now, often when we come across these situations, what we tend to do is we get into that shell of negativity where we always feel like nothing is going to come out in a positive manner. We feel like our life is over and we take things just on a day to day basis, just going with the flow, just living for the sake of living. Instead, it is essential that we even forcefully tell ourselves that if we need to get out of it, we need to attract things positively in a positive manner. So it is important, irrespective of where we are, we need to think or we need to imagine what we need to be or what we are going to be in future, so that slowly but steadily we get to those positive circumstances in a progressive manner. Rather, if we stuck here and if we think negatively and if we are not thinking any positive way outs, we may get stuck here and that is going to plunge more and more into that deep hole. We will never be able to get out of it as long as we are fixed with that negative mentality that nothing is going to work out. Because the universe works as such that the more positive vibes, the more positive thoughts that we emit from ourselves, it resonates with our minds. Similarly, if we emit negative thoughts, the resonance is such that it will respond to us with negative outcome. So to resonate a positive outcome, we need to emit positive thoughts, positive vibes, positive energy from ourselves. So even by force, it is necessary for us to emit such positive thoughts when we are stuck, when we have our backs against the wall. You may be either ill or you may be out of your job, so you may be stuck in your relationship, so you might have had a very bad marriage and you may not know how to come out of it or how to handle situations, so you might feel like everything ahead is dark and dead, but still you need to positively emit those energy, that vibe, that thought, to get out of it so that you will be responded with positive outcomes. So if you are ever stuck, just imagine where you want to be. Just think and put that into yourself, resonate that thoughts within yourself again and again and again, even by force, so that you will be responded positively. This can only be done by yourself, no one else, because you need to emit that positive resonance from within yourself. Don't worry about how it is going to happen, how will be taken care of by the universe. You just need to tell the universe what you want, where you want to be, how you see your things in future. You just need not worry about the path that is going to be taken. You just need to know, you just need to tell the universe the outcome, the destination. So be positive, be optimistic, emit some positive vibes always. Thank